Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am sharing the recipe which is very close to my heart. It's a pasta recipe, as I am a pasta lover and love to make pasta in my Asian way, little bit spicy and along with loads of vegetables and chicken. It's a very easy dish and could be ready in short time and everyone's favorite as well. So let's check the ingredients to make this easy but delicious dish. Here I am using chicken breast. You can use lamb, beef or minced as well, but if I want to cook something for myself quickly, I prefer to use chicken breast. Cabbage 150 gram. Half red bell pepper. Here I will use my frozen spring onion 2 tablespoons. (150 gram) whole grain pasta. Yes guys, here I am using whole grain pasta. As compared to refined pasta, whole grain pasta is considered low in calories and high in fiber. It helps to fill you up for longer and improves digestive health and lower down the risk factor of heart disease, stroke and type 2 diabetes. 1 large chopped tomatoes. If you are using small, so you can use 2 small tomatoes. Oil, here I am using 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can use according to your requirement. Salt and pepper according to your taste. Here I am using 1 clove of garlic minced because I will use my homemade chili garlic sauce. So 1 clove of garlic would be enough. And guys, this is green chili. You can see I already deseeded. So I will throw the seeds and I will only use the green part. Green part gives a nice flavor in pasta. Guys, here I will add mushroom as well. You can see it's a frozen mushroom. So when I will fry, I will take out from the freezer and direct I will put in a wok. Let's start cooking. Here you can see I put a pot with water to boil. I will cook my veg and chicken, and in the meantime my pasta would be boiled. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon oil in a wok to fry my vegetables. Guys, first I am frying cabbage on high flame. Baby dolls, if you are using carrot, then fry carrot first because carrot's texture is hard and it takes time to get tender as compared to other vegetables. Now cabbage is done. I will take it out and then fry bell pepper in the same oil on high flame. Baby dolls, we always do stir fry on high flame so veg remains crunchy. Now you can see pepper is almost done. I will take it out. Now you can see my 2 vegetables are fried. I will put them aside and look after pasta because water is boiling. Here goes pasta in it. I am adding half teaspoon salt as well. Now here goes half teaspoon oil. So pasta won't be sticky. I will mix it nicely and shift the pot to the back stove and bring my wok back to fry mushrooms. Oil is hot and here goes mushroom in it. I will fry it for about 2 minutes and it will be done. Now you can see in 2 minutes mushroom are nicely done. It's a time to take them out from the wok. I am adding rest of the oil in a wok to saute garlic and it will take hardly a minute. Now guys, you can see garlic is nicely done and it's a time to add chicken cubes in it. I will add the chicken cubes in it and fry along with garlic. So chicken will absorb the garlic flavor in it. Baby dolls, you can cut the chicken breast in the strips as well, but my family like chunky pieces in pasta and spaghetti. Now you can see chicken is changing the color. That's mean it's the time to add rest of the spices in it. Guys, here I am adding half teaspoon salt and pepper in it. You can add according to your taste. Now here goes green chili in it. If you want, you can skip it. It's entirely optional. Now I will mix them together and then I will add tomato in it and let it cook for about 30 seconds. Now here goes 1 tablespoon my homemade chili garlic sauce in it. You can cut down the quantity, it's up to you. Now I will give a good mix to combine everything together. Guys, here I will not add water, just I will cover the pot and let the chicken cook in tomatoes liquid. Pasta is ready. Chicken is getting simmer and won't take time to get ready. Now it's a time to stain pasta. Our pasta is ready. It's a time to check chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See, it's almost done. I will leave little bit liquid in it, so it will help to combine pasta, veg and chicken together, and there would be a nice spicy coating on pasta and veg as well. Now here go vegetables in it, and I will mix them first and then add pasta in it. Now it's a time to add pasta in it. And guys, here I won't put all in one go. I will save 1/4 and if I need I will add them. Now you can see everything is gone in it and mixed well. Now I will check seasoning at this stage. If I need I will add and I will fix the seasoning. Oh my god, it's so perfect. How something could be simple but delicious. Now I will bring the flame down and it's a time to add spring onion in it. Here I will use green part of the spring onion. And guys, if you want you can add little bit parsley in it, but I like spring onion flavor in it, so I won't add. I personally feel if you add parsley along spring onion, parsley take away the spring onion flavor from it. See how tempting and refreshing it is. How someone can say no to it. Our pasta is ready. I will simmer it just for 1 minute on low flame, so spring onion will release its flavor in it. 1 minute gone and now it's a time to check our dish. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, it's so tempting. See, the veg are holding their shape as well and looks bit crunchy, which is the requirement of this dish. Now I will dish it out and show you. So guys, here is my Asian style spicy pasta. Hope you will like it and give it a try. If you give it a try, please give me feedbacks. If you're new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos first. I will bring more simple recipes. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.